Although the goal of the exercises is always to keep your spine neutral when you're not moving, it's also very important to keep your spine neutral when you're moving. One of the hardest motions to do this in is the deadlift, or as we'll call the general motion, the hip hinge. So the hip hinge is I'm trying to go from that neutral spine, and I'm trying to bend from the hip. Very often people will get injured by bending over, by hunching over, picking up something heavy. What I want to do is I want to do this movement keeping my spine in proper alignment. If I do this properly, you should feel a pretty good stretch in the hamstrings, especially in that bottom position. The more flexible you are, the further in you'll have to go before you feel that. It's also very good to use a mirror to check your own posture. So a lot of times you'll go here, and if you do feel your hamstrings, if you go further, I guarantee it's not going to be coming from your hips anymore. It's definitely going to be breaking from the lower spine. So you definitely want to avoid that. So use the mirror. Get used to doing this motion, keeping the back straight, everything nice and aligned, and get to feel what it feels like to do it properly. Usually, right away, you feel that restriction in the hamstring. It's actually a great active stretch for the hamstrings to do the hip hinge.